This is my journal, and honestly, I have not been consistent with it for a long time. I used to make plans, write goals, feel motivated for a few days, and then slowly go back to my old routine. So, this time I wanted to do something different. Not a perfect system, not something complicated, just something simple that I can actually stick to. So, this is my May 2026 setup. The first thing you will notice here are these sticky notes. Actually, these are not random. I wrote my most important goals for this month on them and the thing I really want to achieve. Not everything, just what actually matters. For example, one of my biggest goals in this month is to not miss a single day of prayer and to slowly build a routine that become a part of my life, not something I have to force every day. I use these sticky notes because they stay visible. Every time I open my journal, I'm reminded of what I'm working toward because I realize something. When your goals are hidden, you forget them, but when they are in front of you, you can't ignore them. Before creating this setup, I actually started planning at the end of April. This was my previous setup. Here I try to understand my life a little bit. I made a simple monthly analytics page, basically a small graph to see how productive I was. Not in a perfect way, just honestly. Then I wrote down my goals, what I want to achieve, what I would need to improve, and what I need to manage my life. Because productivity is not just about doing more, it's about managing your life better. That process alone made me feel more in control. And then I created this, my full May setup. This time I did not just plan, I prepared for execution. On the left side, I wrote all the days of the month. And next to each day, I write what I actually did, not what I planned, but what I completed. Because I don't want to trick myself anymore. I want real progress. On the right side, I have my habit tracker. It's very simple. I track things like study, coding, my daily routine, phone usage, and self-discipline. Every day, I just mark if I showed up or not. No excuses, just honesty. My main focus for this month is very simple. Consistency, not perfection, not extreme productivity. Just showing up every single day. Even if it's a small step, it still counts. My routine is also starting to take shape. My university Python course is starting on Monday, so my days will revolve around that. From morning routines to study to coding practice and then work on my content, editing and building something for myself. I'm not trying to do everything at once. I'm just trying to build life that feels structured. Something that I can repeat every day without feeling lost. And honestly, I don't know if I will stay consistent for all 30 days, but this time I'm going to document everything. The productive days, the lazy days, the days where I feel like quitting, because this is not just about productivity. It's about becoming someone who show up. I think journaling is more than just writing things down. It helps you understand your patterns, your habit, and even your mindset. It gives you a way to slow down and actually see what you are doing with your time, and over time you start noticing change, not instantly but gradually. And the best part is you don't need a perfect journal, you don't need expensive tool, you just need something that works for you, something simple enough that you can actually stay consistent with. So this is my system. It's not perfect, but it's mine, and I'm going to try my best to stick with it. Let's see what happened by the end of May. So subscribe my channel and like this video, share with your friends and make their life easy, and set your goals, make sure that you will consist with it. And also follow my Instagram and other pages like Discord, join Discord for some more information, and also follow me on x.com. So make sure everything is going easy in your life. So God bless you. Thank you.